one of the train spots is 29,000 class, the bullet trains. So we're on to the north of Dublin. I'm now in Clongriffin station, and now I'm going to see some of the class 29,000 class, and possibly I might see some of the 2-1 class or the class 9,000 class. Oh, that's even better. A 4,000 class. Constant Island. No cones. Here we go. Oh, and there's 3,000 at the back, heading towards Conley. Oh, and here comes my favourite DMU, the 29,000 class, heading to Drogheda. Can't get to see the front. There goes that beast. There goes the beast. Heading to Drogheda. Hopefully, I might catch 29,000 class somewhere else. Surprise! Another 29,000 class. Oh, like another town. Cheers! And now hop on that train. Back to Conley.